Okay, let's go over biggest mistakes that women over 30 make with concealer. They put concealer on their fine lines and wrinkles. You guys, I have no filter on this. If I were to put concealer on this, it would crease and it would get all in there. And that is not where we put concealer. Concealer is for these dark crevices on our face. So the other thing that drives me nuts that's such a huge mistake is you're using your fingers. You guys need a tiny brush if you're over 30. You have to be able to get into those crevices and super rub in your product so it's not creasing all over. If you have a tiny, really dense, really nice brush, you guys, the product goes into your skin beautifully. Another mistake I see women make over 30 all the time is they forget to conceal these inside little crevices around your nose. This matters so much. Look at that tiny brush. Look at go into these crevices. And here's the other mistake so many women make. A lot of women would stop right there. They don't keep working the product into their skin. So just when you think you're done, like go another minute of like really working that product into your skin. If people are saying, oh, you have too much product, or get a lighter product, well, we don't want a lighter product because we actually want it to cover. Don't forget to conceal around your nose, and don't forget to keep rubbing in that product. Get a great tiny brush. Okay, last mistake so many women over 30 make is they forget to conceal around their lip. You guys, concealer around your lip literally creates the most beautiful lips. Grab a liner after you do your concealer. Do your concealer first and really go in and shape that lip. You guys, if you're over 30 and that helps, smash follow.